Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a 65 Chevy Impala 409. $99,000 guys for this car. Holy crap. Unbelievable. And the paint is like not really even perfect on this car. I'm seeing like swirl marks and stuff like that, but that's probably stuff that can be taken out. Chrome looks good on the car. Guys, I'm old enough to remember when these cars were brand new. My neighbor across the street growing up had one of these. Probably not a 409, probably a 327 or something like that. But these are huge cars. You can see like some inside the paint there, some of the swirl marks and stuff. And these are good buffing out and everything. But the interior is pretty nice on it. $99,000. Jesus Christ. I always remembered the center speaker in the back seat, because when our neighbor growing up, we would sit in the back seat of his car when me and my buddy he would take us out somewhere and take us for a ride, and that center speaker there was always blasting in our ear. Wow, 409. I wish the hood was up so I could see it. Like I said, the paint needs a good buffing and going over on this thing. And I think they're asking a little bit too much money for this car. I mean, there's no rust bubbles or anything like that from what I can see. There's a 409 on it. Chrome is like really nice on this car, really beautiful. That's a lot of money, man. You want to see the window sticker here. Believed to be actual miles, 98,000. Wow. These cars were huge, man. Big cars, man. Trunks open. I really don't like messing with trunks and stuff, but trunk is really nice. No rust or nothing. Somebody definitely took care of this car. Just a big car, man. Most of these came with, like I said, probably 327s or something in them. The average ones. Average 65 Impalas. But anyway, there you go, guys. Tell me what you think down below in the comments. Like the video, please. It's greatly appreciated. Subscribe to the channel. And we will see you in the next video. Silverado Man 61, we're out.